Dear aspirant, good morning. Hope you all are doing good. Breakthrough scientific developments here in our India, colossal biosciences extinction project, that is 13-year-old tooth and 72,000-year-old skull DNA has been used using CRISPR technology, that is modified cells from living gray wolf. Three healthy puppies, Romulus, Remus, and Kalasi. Colossal Biosciences, a biotechnology firm located in Dallas, which is the leading entity behind this breakthrough. Okay. Dire wolf revival, which is a scientific breakthrough. DNA was extracted from ancient specimen, which is a 13,000 year old tooth and a 72,000 year old skull. These samples were used to analyze the full genome of the species. CRISPR gene editing, which is a company used this editing technology to modify the cell taken from the grey wolf. These genetically altered cells were used to create embryos which were then implanted into a domestic dog surrogate. So, three healthy dire wolf puppies were born. Then NCB, Narcotics Control Bureau, seizes 30 kg of meth tablets in Assam. A car was intercepted with 10 packets of meth tablets hidden in the boot. So India has a strategic challenge in drug trafficking because we have Golden Crescent, that is Iran, Afghanistan, Pakistan region, major opium and heroin production area, and it shares border with India's northern states. Also in Golden Triangle, Thailand, Laos, Myanmar region, significant methamphetamine production shares border with India's northeastern state. India is also situated between two major drug producing regions. One is Golden Crescent, that is Iran, Afghan, Pakistan, and another one is Golden Triangle, that is Thailand, Laos, Myanmar, which make it vulnerable to illicit drug trafficking. Government measures to tackle the drug problem. Legally, government has enacted various laws like Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940, Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substance Act, and Prevention of Illicit Traffic in Narcotic Drugs and Psychopathic substance acts. Government has created institutions like NCB, Directorate of Revenue Intelligence and Customs Department. Government vision for the drug-free India, that is ruthless force against drug cartels, and interagency cooperation is there. International coordination is also there. Kerala duo develops eco-friendly edible wrappers. Two students from Kerala developed edible food wrappers made using bacterial cellulose, aiming to reduce the plastic waste. So, created using cellulose producing bacteria, essential oils from specific plant give the wrapper antimicrobial properties. The product name called Eden Wrap, which is biodegradable, decomposes in a month itself. Eden Wrap, that is developed at the College of Agriculture, and the idea evolved based on the feedback from industry mentors and competitions. Center to pay more for PM Poshan school schemes in school, Bal Vatikas and primary school and upper primary school. PM Poshan, it serves 11.2 crore students from classes 1 to 8 across 10.36 lakh. Primary school meal, 20 gram pulses, 50 gram cereals, 5 gram oil. So food grain also, center provides 100% cost of food grains, approximately 9,000 crore annually. Okay, so government support for PM Poshan scheme is 9,000 crore annual food grain cost and 954 crore for additional expenditure. So PM Poshan is already that is in September 2021 it has been launched, and Union Cabinet approved Pradhan Mantri Poshan Shakti Nirman or PM Poshan for providing one hot cooked meal in government. The scheme replaced the national program for midday meal in schools and midday meal schemes. Features of PM Poshan scheme coverage. Balavatikas and for primary schools, also for upper primary schools. Nutritional guidance under PM Poshan scheme. Use of locally grown nutritional food items will be encouraged from school nutrition guidance for boosting the local economic growth. Try to answer this question. Scientific efforts must focus on conserving current species and ecosystem rather than the sensational resurrection experiment. Explain. Thank you. Have a great day.